How to get besthotels.com discount promo codes. Now, before you go ahead and start purchasing your trip tickets or any of the hotels that you would like to book under hotel.com, then I'm going to help you out get the best discount promo code. And just simply run or access any available browser on your end and simply type in couponfollow.com. In here, just locate the search box and type in hotels. Now choose on the very first result depending on which country you're in, if it's going to be through Canada or UK. Now for this video, I'm going to be just choosing on the general hotels.com's website. And here, you should be able to see any multiple options of the discount code or discount unique codes that you can use. Simply click this option here that says show coupon code and then copy that unique code, paste it on your payment area on hotels.com. So that is how you find the best hotels.com discount promo codes.